Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give can't be replaced. So go now.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title today, we will be doing a mukbang slash get to know me. It's been like a month and some change. No, not even some change. A month. I had did 2 videos so far, which was a vlog of me going to Atlanta for spring break. And then I had did like a fried ice cream channel. But y'all really don't know me like that, so I just wanted to do like a little video so y'all can get to know me better. So before we start, make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to my video and to my channel. Let's get these subscribers up and these views up. We doing good. And yes, so I had got me some Popeyes. I got the 3-piece wing meal. I'm gonna open it up for y'all. Got some fries and some chicken. And for my drink, I got me a Dr. Pepper. So I got like a couple of questions. I think I got 10 questions that I'm going to answer. So let's get right into the video. So first, I'm about to try me a fry. Fry could be a little bad. Drink. Well, let me tell you, I was about to drop my drink right when I got in the house. I was like, Lord have mercy. Alright, so first question is, how old are you? I'm sorry, I'm 22 years old. I just turned 22 on May 31st. Now people think I'm 18 years old. I'm like, girl, I'm grown. I'm in 20s, baby. But yeah, I'm 22 years old. I'm trying to enjoy my 20s. There's nothing but growth, happiness, and positivity in my 20s. And you know, your 20s is like the best years. As they say, well, I can say it's pretty good. Okay, let's go to the next question. Next question is, are you in school? If so, what are you studying for? Yes, I am a senior in college. I'm studying to be a 2nd grade teacher. I love kids, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to eat some chicken now. If you don't put honey and hot sauce on it, this is ketchup. Okay. Now, if you don't put honey and hot sauce on your chicken, you're not living. So let me show you how it's done. Put some on here. Put the honey on first. Then you put your hot sauce. Ooh, the hot sauce coming. One thing about Popeye hot sauce is like really liquid. Like sometimes it's looking like water, but it's good though. So I'm putting another one on there. So good, y'all. Okay, so next question is, do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have a brother and I have a sister. I am the oldest. My sister is like the middle child, and then my brother is the youngest. yeah. I always say I always say I'm grateful to have siblings because I feel like if I ain't have any siblings, life would be boring. Hope the house. Your life would be pretty boring. So I'm grateful for that. And that's why I'm gonna make sure when I have kids, they have more than one. So, alright, next question. Describe your personality. Y'all, I'm country. My personality is like I'm shy. Till I get to know you. Like it take a minute for me to open up. You would think, oh, she's acting, ugh, but it's really not. I'm just shy. I'm very kind. Like I'm super nice. Like I feel like the first thing somebody knows about me, like when I talk, is I'm super nice. Like I barely get mad. Like unless you take me there. Now if you take me there, I'll go there. But other than that, I'm kind. I'm shy. I'm giving. I love giving to people. Like anything that I can help people with, I'll do it without hesitation. That's another one I feel like describes my personality. I love to laugh. Like I'm goofy. Like something would be so funny to me, and you be like, "Why is she laughing?" It's not that funny, but to me it is. I'm real goofy. I'm cool when I want to do. Promise me. I guess that answered that question. Like that describes my personality. So let's go to the next question. What are some of your goals? Well, I was ready for this question, y'all. Okay, let me eat a chicken real quick, y'all. Another piece of chicken. Some of my goals. My first goal is to hurry up and get out of college. Like that's my number one goal. I'm a senior in college now, but I'm trying to hurry up and get out of college because, Lord, college it's cool, but it has its moments. I'm sure like anything you do, but it definitely can take a toll out of you. That's why you have to like really be focused. Second goal is to have a successful YouTube journey. I can't talk. It's hot, y'all. To have a successful YouTube journey, right? I hope I build an audience and just really grow from this, And all this ketchup. But yeah, those are like my two major goals. To finish college and just to have like a successful YouTube journey. So yeah, next question. Do you have any inspirations? And if so, who? Yes, I do have inspirations. parents. And those are like my two, basically my only inspirations. And my grandmother, she was a big inspiration to me as well. Just like who they are as individuals, what they do for people, how they take care of themselves and others, and just who they are to me, which are genuine, loyal kind of people. And I love having people around me like that. Like if you're not loyal, you're not genuine, and you don't bring nothing but, and you don't bring anything but positivity, you gotta go. That stuff gonna start rubbing off on me. I ain't got time for it. So those are my major inspirations. Now I wish the fries was hotter. Fries were like, look at this. Like it been sitting there for a while. Chicken was good. Next question. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? It's a lot of beautiful places. So I don't know. I'm gonna say somewhere like in Georgia. I like Atlanta, but I don't want to live in Atlanta. Like probably like on the outskirts, just for safety reasons. Cause y'all know the world bad. So I would say that. I did say like Houston, Texas is nice too, but I feel like it's just so far from my family. And y'all know I love my parents. So I can't leave that. I can't live that far, like, So I would just say, I would say somewhere out in Georgia. Okay, I think we got like 2 more questions, y'all. And then we done. Okay. What made you want to start YouTube? And my answer is, okay, so like that's all I watch is YouTube. I don't even watch Netflix. I don't watch no TV show. All I watch is YouTube. And I've been watching YouTube since I was like in high school. And I was like, why won't I just start a YouTube channel? And I procrastinated. I didn't believe in myself. Like I could do it. To years and years and years. And then finally this year, I was like, you know what, I'm doing it. And I launched my first YouTube channel on my birthday, which was on May 31st. So I said, you know, I want to build an audience because I do want to like have like businesses on the side, like, you know, because I want to be a teacher, but like we out for the summer, we out on break, so I want to have businesses. And I feel like this is a start, like to build my audience, for y'all to get to know me. And yeah, so I said I'm gonna start my YouTube channel. Cause I was like, if all these people doing YouTube, why can't I? Like I'm not no different. Like I can do it too. And I finally pushed myself, and I went for it. So yeah. Last question. Are you single? Yes, I am single, sadly. I'm just playing. Yeah, I'm single. Like, I haven't found my person. And, you know, that's okay. I'm still young. I'm only 22 years old. But I feel like it's a lot of stuff like I just don't tolerate. Like, you're not about to do what you want to do. And I just sit back like a hump on the log. No, ma'am. And if something is bothering me, I make it known. If you don't fix it, bye. Now, I'm not settling. Like I know what I bring to the table. I know who I am, and you know it is what it is. You know, but in a generation, it's hard anyway. It's hard anyway to find like a good person. And you know, you just gotta stay prayed up, and just I pray that God finds me someone. I know He will. I pray God send someone. That's the word. Send someone to me that's right, because I'm in a stage in my life where like you're not bringing nothing to the table. So yeah, and that's on period. So as y'all can see, I'm done with my food. I still got a biscuit and something. The fries is okay, but I answer all the questions. Period. So that is all for my video. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, and there may be this video will be posted plus another video. So y'all gonna get 2 videos this week. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all like this video. Bye.